Okay, so we're all using these incredible AI tools to crank out presentations, right? But let's be real for a second. They can look a little, well, generic. So how do you break out of that mold? How do you make something that looks genuinely custom designed? Well, that's exactly the secret we're going to unlock today.
You totally know the feeling. You use an amazing tool, something like NotebookLM, you feed it all your sources, and what comes back is, it's fine, it's okay, but it has that look, doesn't it? That kind of generic and AI made this vibe. It's just missing a soul.
And for a while now, we've kind of been told to just accept this deal, right? You get lightning speed, but you have to give up on style. It's a trade-off. But what if I told you that's just not true anymore? What if you didn't have to choose? You can absolutely have the crazy efficiency of AI and the polished, slick look of a pro designer.
All right, let's dive into what I call the canned AI problem. Because honestly, it's the biggest thing standing between you and a presentation that really, truly lands with impact. So the solution, it lies in this thing called YAML. And I know, it sounds super technical, but don't let the name freak you out. Seriously, forget code for a second. Just think of YAML as a design brief you're handing to your personal AI architect. It's just a simple list of very specific instructions for the exact look and feel you're going for.
And this right here just nails the difference. Look, telling an AI to make it professional is like telling an interior designer, hey, just make me a nice house. What does that even mean? The AI is just guessing, but giving it precise instructions with YAML, that's like handing that same designer a complete mood board. We're talking specific textures, colors, the whole vibe. Now the AI isn't guessing anymore. It's executing your vision perfectly.
And that right there, that is the whole game. It's a simple shift in how you think, but it's massive. It moves you from being a passive user, just kind of crossing your fingers and hoping for the best, to becoming an active director who is in total control of the final product.
Okay, so how do you actually do this? Especially if you're thinking, I don't know design, I don't know code. Well, it's a surprisingly simple 3-step visual hack that, trust me, anyone can get the hang of.
The whole process is so easy, it's almost silly. Step 1, find a design you absolutely love online, a brand website, a portfolio, whatever, and just screenshot it. Step 2, take that screenshot and upload it to an AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. You just ask it to translate that visual style into YAML. And then step 3, you literally just copy the code it gives you and paste it right into NotebookLM. That's it, seriously.
All right, let's see this in action with a real-world example. We're going to take maybe the most boring document you can imagine and turn it into a masterpiece.
So check this out. This is our source material. A super dense technical maintenance guide for a lab machine. I mean, look at it. It's all text, diagrams, it's a manual. It is the ultimate test case, right? Can we make an engaging presentation out of this? And boom, here's the transformation. On the left, you've got this raw, kind of clunky photo straight from the manual. But on the right, that exact same information becomes a clean, clear, totally professional visual. The YAML instructions we fed it told it exactly which fonts, colors, and layout to use. It just turns that dense, complicated mess into something you understand in a second.
Just look at this result. It takes a simple point buried in the manual, something like a new model isn't always better, and turns it into this bold confidence statement. This looks like it came from a high-end corporate design agency, not a boring technical guide.
And it's not just for big statements. It can handle complex data too. This slide here, it takes a whole list of technical jargon and this complicated idea of signal peaks and just makes it make sense. The design actually helps you understand it faster instead of just getting in the way.
Okay, but here's where this whole method gets really, really powerful. You can use this design to talk about the bottom line, the money, and give it maximum impact. I mean, this is where a presentation wins or loses, right?
So picture this, you're making your case to your boss. The cost to just replace this one part is a staggering $6,000. That number alone is huge. It gets your attention. But then, you hit them with the next slide. The alternative, the cost to simply clean the thing, less than $100. Suddenly, the choice isn't just a choice, it's a no-brainer. It's unbelievably obvious.
And that's the whole point, right? This isn't just about making a prettier slide deck. That's nice, but it's not the goal. We've used strategic design, a design that we directed and the AI executed, to build a way more compelling, way more persuasive argument.
So this all leads to a new way of thinking, of working, really.
It's about you becoming the AI director. So let's wrap this up with your new standard workflow. It's just 4 steps. 1. Feed in your source materials, PDFs, whatever you've got. 2. Go into that custom presentation mode. 3. Paste in that vibe code, that YAML you generated. And 4. Hit generate and just watch the magic happen. It's a repeatable playbook for amazing-looking slides every single time.
This really is the big shift. You're not just a user pushing buttons anymore. You are the creative director. You handle the big picture, the vision, and you let the AI take care of all the grunt work of execution. So my big message to you is this: trust your own taste. You don't need to be a graphic designer to know what looks good. You know it when you see it. So find that inspiration, let the AI translate it, and just apply it. I mean, hey, we just saw that even a boring maintenance guide can be turned into something genuinely elegant.
So really the only question left is, now that you have this power to direct not just the content, but the entire vibe of your presentations, what are you going to direct your AI to create next?